Safety first. When working with 3D printers, specifically FDM printers, be aware that some of the components will be hot. After all, they melt plastics, such that the nozzle of the printer reaches temperatures upwards of 210 degrees Celsius. On top of this, some of the printers have heated print beds, and their temperature may be around or higher than 60 degrees Celsius. Additionally, some plastics release potential harmful fumes and/or particles when heated. For this reason, it is highly recommended that you 3D print in an adequately ventilated area. It should be noted that the makerspace will not let you perform overnight prints, as unsupervised prints pose a fire hazard. For similar reasons, but also not to waste material or machine time, we ask that you supervise the first few layers of your prints, as this is typically when the print will fail. Finally, printers have moving parts. Of course, the motors that drive these parts are quite small, and such the moving parts will not harm you, but printers are somewhat fragile, and for that reason, please avoid putting your hands in the printers while they are running to avoid damaging them. Let's have a look at what 3D printing is. 3D printing is an additive manufacturing process in which a 3D object is manufactured from a 3D model. It is much cheaper for small production runs and one-offs than traditional subtractive manufacturing methods such as milling or turning. There are many types of 3D printing processes, such as fused deposition modeling, FDM, selective laser melting or sintering, SLM, SLS, vat polymerization, also known as resin printing, and many more. Since they are cheaper to use and make, printers leveraging FDM and resin processes are the most common printers on the market for makers and small manufacturing shops.